Hey loves! Today I'm sharing my go-to power drink that gives me glowing skin, boosts my energy, and keeps me feeling amazing. It's super easy to make, and trust me, it doesn't taste bad at all. Let's get into it. First, we need to prep our ingredients. I've got half an orange, peeled, 1 whole ginger, cut into smaller pieces, 1 chopped carrot, 1 chopped cucumber, a handful of fresh parsley, and half a lemon with the skin on, washed thoroughly. Now, some people like to boil the ginger, carrot, and cucumber first to soften them up. This step is optional, but it can make the drink smoother and easier to digest. If you choose to boil, just go ahead and boil them for about 5-7 minutes, then strain the water into the blender. Next, it's time to blend it all up. Add your boiled ingredients if you use them, then toss in the fresh orange, lemon, parsley, and some coconut water or milk. Blend until smooth. If you prefer a smoother texture, you can strain the drink, but I like to keep all the fiber for extra health benefits. Pour the drink into a glass and take a sip. You can even make this the night before and store it in the fridge for a quick morning boost. Let's talk benefits while I enjoy this. The vitamin C from the orange and lemon helps with collagen production, while the cucumber hydrates your skin. Ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory and immune booster, perfect for keeping colds away. The fiber from the carrots, cucumber, and parsley supports gut health and keeps things moving. Coconut water is packed with electrolytes, giving you a natural energy boost without the crash. And parsley is a natural detoxifier, helping to flush out toxins and reduce bloating. This drink is a game changer and it's so easy to make. Try it out and let me know how it works for you. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more healthy tips. Cheers to glowing skin and feeling amazing.